Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Patience and today I am coming back with another DIY. We are going to be making a centerpiece using a fishing bowl. Alright guys, so we have our fishing bowl, we have a candle, we have some greeneries and some flowers. Without any waste of time, let's dive straight into the video. Alright, so we are going to start off with our candle. And now put it right in there. Our candle is not standing straight, so I'm going to put in my greeneries next, just like that. I don't want to overwhelm the bowl with so many greeneries, so I'll just see how many I can put. Okay. Like that. Then on this other side I'll do the same thing, making sure that the stems are inside. So I'm going to be putting the stems in here, and then this other part will be facing outward, just like this. Let me show you. Then I'll flip this, open it up like this. Make sure that this one is right in. It's not obstructing my greeneries. All right, now this might be the last one. Let's see. Like that. So just tuck the stems inside, then leave this open. Keep it open on both sides. Side, I don't know what's going on here. Keep it open, just like this. Let's play around with it until we are satisfied with what we are looking for. Okay, guys, I like the way this side is looking, so I'm just going to play around. Okay, I think this looks good. I'm going to keep this aside, and then we are going to come in with the flowers. This is my favorite part, playing with the flowers. I think this should be my front side because I like the way this side is looking. Okay, we'll come in with the flowers just like this. So when you're putting your flowers, be careful, because remember you have to light your candle. I'm going to step back and look from the side of the camera so that I see what you are seeing. It looks beautiful, and that way I can you know, add in more flowers or reduce or just adjust as necessary. So I'm going to go in right here, this one. I think I should put a pink here. It's right here. Good, right there. Exactly like this. You just want to make sure all your flowers are not having the same heights. And then we are done. can add in as many flowers as you want. Alright guys, so this is what we have. We are going to go in now with our candle. We're going to light it up. Look at that beauty, guys. Oh my goodness, I love it. It looks so beautiful for dinner. I wish you could see what I'm seeing. Can you see? Let me try to turn off the lights. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the beauty that we have created using this beautiful fishing bowl, and it looks amazing. Okay guys, so that is it for today's DIY, and I love what I created. I love the centerpiece. It would be awesome for a dinner and or any event, even a wedding. You want a wedding that is cost effective, you can just do something this simple. You can decide to use the bigger vases or the smaller vases. I also have smaller ones. The next video I'm going to be trying something with a smaller fishing bowl. That way you can see what it is going to look like with the smaller fishing bowl. You can also try something like that to give your events something magnificent but very cost effective. So let me know what you think about this centerpiece. Are you going to be trying it? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.